Hello all, welcome to PC Tips Pro, and in today's video we are going to see how to get a free domain with the cheap hosting. So before getting into the video, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to the PC Tips Pro, please do subscribe. And now let's get started. So in order to get the free domain, we need to get to this website hostmental.com. To this website, I'll be just giving you the link in the description. So from there you can find this and you can get to this website. So here you can see that this provides you with hosting services, so which are at 35% off. So this is something that can be provide you with most affordable options. So here you can just see that we have this affordable options. Let us just go to the hosting services that it provides, that is web hosting, and see the plans of it. So here we have the hosting services that is starting from 12.99 per year, and you have the three plans that are bronze, silver and gold. So here I can see that this provides you with the hosting and the free .com, .in, .net, .org and other extensions for free. So here I can see what are the differences between the plans. Like this provides you one website 20, and this provides you with unlimited websites. So let me just go with the bronze plan. So click on the order now. So you need to choose which one you want based upon your needs and requirements for your website. Let me just click on the order now, and this would be taking me to this place where I can choose my domain. Let me, so here we have three options, that is to transfer your domain from another registrar, or to use your existing domain and update your name servers. So this is something that is for the users, those who are having other hosting services before and all. But I'm assuming that you are new to this and this is your new registrar. Here you can just click search for your domain. Let's say that I want to search for PC Tips Pro, and let's say that I want an extension something like .com, so that is most popular one. And let me check for this. So this is already taken, and let me add something else like PC Tips Pro YouTube, and let me check it again. So this is available for me for 550 INR, and click on add to cart. So once you're done with this, we'll be clicking on the continue, and then here you will be just seeing all the order summary whatever you have. So we even have web hosting of bronze, and so you will be getting this free domain only when you choose the annual plan. So we are going for the annual one, and click on the continue. So here you can see that we have the bill of 1699, and let me just click on the continue, and this would take a while. So here we have this page where I can now apply a promo code that is save 35, which can further reduce your amount, that is 1100. So you're going to get an annual subscription to this hosting plan, and with a free domain for 1104 rupees, so which is quite affordable. And then so here you can see that the domain registration is costing you zero. And now you just need to enter all your details and all, and once you're done with it, you need to just choose your payment mode, and you can just click on the checkout to avail this. Let's get back, and also let me just show you the other hosting plan, that is WordPress hosting. So let me just go to the products, and here is the WordPress one. Let's go to this. So this is one more thing which would be providing you with very good benefits, that is like for bronze. Here also we have this bronze, silver and gold ones. For bronze we have 5 websites, 100, and this is having the 200 websites. So this could be more of a use for you, like if you just want to use the WordPress and all, so you can use this. And this process goes similar with the first one. So this could be the similar procedure again. We need to choose the domain name that we want. So let me just choose the same thing again, PC Tips Pro YouTube, and click on So I just want to go for .com extension, and now this should work. So click on the check. So here need to add this to cart and then click on the continue. So again, I need to choose the annual plan. Click on the continue. So here we have this total order summary which comes up to be 6,549. So we can just use the save 35, or like save 35 to get the discount which is in the previous one. Now let me just use the save 50 code. So you can just use the save 50 code and get the 50% off on your total billing. So this is quite affordable, so when you're getting this 50% off on WordPress cloud. So here again you can just give your details and you can complete the checkout. So this can be a great option for you guys if you are starting out and if you're on a budget. So these are the affordable options for your web hosting and also for the WordPress hosting. This is all for today's video, guys. I hope you found this video useful to you. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to PC Tips Pro. Thank you for watching.